It is time! It is GPD time! Welcome people to the Wicked Gamer and Collector! Welcome people, welcome back to a new review. And today we're going to talk about, yes, again about the GPD. And in this video we're going to talk about the PlayStation part about it, because this thing can also run PlayStation games. It's pre-built with some emulators. I talk about it in my main video, so check out my playlist. I'll even drop a link in the description or in the comment section. But in this video we're going to look at the PlayStation games and just going to check out how are they running the games. Are they running like it should be, or is it just one disappointment? Alright people, I'm ready. Are you? Game on! Alright people, for the first game we are going to try out Tekken 3.
Round 1. Fight!
Stop laying around. Ah! What is to make it perfect? Right.
You win. Round 2. Fight!
Again, no perfect. Alright. Let's see how fast are the loading times in this game. That took some time. Alright, get used to the controls again. I didn't get used to the controls. Alright. And let's go to the next game. This one really seems to just work fine.
What have I got?
Oh yeah, this game runs just perfect. Really awesome.
What have I got?
Duke Nukem Time to Kill. Wussy. There are no instant
Looks
loads.
like it's time to kill.
So yeah people, it seems that the PlayStation is running perfectly on the system. Really awesome. I've tried a couple of games. 3D games are the most difficult to render so far I understood. So and these are running perfect. Overall, man, the GPD is really awesome. That it runs this, oh yeah, this piece of history. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and stay strong, stay positive, and game on! Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, I don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.